And your boy's back with a Honda Odyssey minivan, I guess is what y'all still calling it. Got that tire shine on that joint, all black. Got the doors open on the other side, closed on this side. Short clip, because we got to get up out of here, but my boy about to pull this joint out, man. You can go ahead and hop up in there, bro. I'm gonna show them letting you hop up in there and letting you get up out of here with this joint, man. Close some doors for that, boy. I'll take them rags from you, boss.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. One happy customer, you know what I'm saying? You know how it go. Let me get out the way for this big old Suburban. How you doing, boss? Yes, sir. What y'all think about that one, man? Y'all let me know. How we feeling about this Honda Odyssey? 2023, man. Black. Let's get it. Slow-mo. Yes, sir. See you later. Happy customer, man. Happy customer.